Customers today expect effortless and immediate assistance from their favorite brands, and Bold360 AI can help you provide it. Our AI-powered chatbots make it easy for customers to get the answers right away. And if needed, customers can switch to a human agent within the same chat window. Let's show you how it works. Ian recently booked a vacation to Malta and is considering renting a car for his trip. He visits his travel agency's website, and their travel chatbot proactively reaches out to help. Ian asks for details of his latest booking, which the chatbot provides instantly. Then Ian asks about a car rental. The chatbot recognizes this as a high-value interaction and suggests Ian speak with a live agent. Ian accepts the offer by clicking Chat with a live agent. No additional steps are required. He is connected to a live agent without interruption in service. The agent reads the conversation that Ian had with the chatbot, so Ian does not have to repeat any information he has already provided. Ian begins chatting with the live agent and quickly gets the answers he needs to decide about a car rental. Engage smarter with Bold360.